I am so happy I came across this on Amazon for my iRobot. It started acting a little wonky. It was telling me things that needed to be replaced. So I found this replacement parts kit and it has everything I need in there. This is just some of it. I already put some of the parts on the iRobot where my husband did, and it works very well. The iRobot didn't even know that it was a universal part or it wasn't one of their parts, so to speak. When switching out the brushes, you want to make sure you wet them first. That was really important. We didn't see that before we did it. But then once we read the directions or went back to their ad, we saw that you're supposed to wet the brushes first. This kit will last you for a long time, probably the life of the iRobot, because you get the filters, you get the brushes, you get everything you need, and even a little screwdriver kit. So when you're ready to replace them, you already have the tool needed. And they do suggest that you replace the rubber roll on there every 6 months. I let mine go to about 8 months and it still did well. However, now that I can find this kit, I won't be as apprehensive. I can probably change it out more often. So the point is, if you keep up with the parts on your iRobot, no matter what your model is, it will last for a long time. You're going to get less errors and it's going to do its job the way it's supposed to. It's going to start when it's supposed to start because you programmed it that way. We start noticing that our iRobot wasn't starting when we programmed it because the filter needed to be replaced. Of course, we needed to empty the trash bin or the dust bin. But now that we have switched out the parts on it, it's like having a new iRobot, so to speak. Great kit, everything you need. It will make your iRobot last longer.